Hi guys, today we're going to speak about animal trafficking. Ever since the beginning of our existence as humans on Earth, we've been accompanied by pieces of spirits called animals. They've been our primary providers of food, clothing, and basically the reason for our brain development and evolution. The world has evolved so much that nowadays we have multiple ways of still achieving to produce food, clothing, and ways to evolve without having to harm or kill animals. Scientists have recognized that animals have monitoring of emotions and they are able to feel. We have established the need to protect and act according to what we're able to feel if we as humans would take on an animal's place. And one thing's for sure, both animals and humans suffer from the trafficking business.
Animal trafficking is what happens when people transport animals unethically. This term is usually used when this transport is done against the law for the purposes of selling the animal. In Mexico, one of the most trafficked animals are the birds, monkeys, freshwater turtles, part of jaguars, parakeets, toucans, macaws, and iguanas. In our country, the production area of this problem is one of the most hard-touching of them all. Species like monkeys, jaguars, lions, armadillos, and wolves are ripped apart from their mother's care to be distributed along the country. Then the hunters kill the monkey's mom, and they take the monkeys to place them in cages. Animals like crocodiles, turtles, and other type of reptiles are taken from their sand nests and are incubated artificially by the sellers in order to keep them alive for when they must be sold. And as you may see, the mothers are just simply killed for consumption and for their skin. One of the main reasons why animal trafficking even exists in the first place is due to what consumers receive aside from an illegal purchase fee. The consumption of the materials obtained from the illegal hunting of protected wildlife animals is considered as something luxurious, and for wealthy people, eating endangered animals is even considered as something exotic or expensive, when all they're doing is eating a piece of what's about to be just a mammal. We also have the products these animals turn into. The exchange of these materials for money is called poaching. Usually, the materials that people poach are generally the animal's skins, bones, and teeth. The parts of the animals are transformed into clothing, rugs, and furniture, and the impressive part is that no one perceives this as something creepy or sick. In our city, there's a lot of variety of exotic animals in high demand. Some of them may be found in pet stores, such as the iguana and the porcupines, but the purchasing of these is categorized as an illegal action. And the most concerning part of this is that most of these animals are illegally kept in captivity without legal consent.
How to stop animal trafficking? There is currently not immediate solution to stop animal trafficking, and reaching that goal will require many different approaches, primarily targeting specific areas of trade. One of the actions we can start practicing is that when we are looking for a pet, look for one in adoption, at a local animal shelter, or avoid buying one online or at a pet store. Another of the actions that we can take into account to reduce animal trafficking is to be careful and to be attentive when buying products that could be made of endangered species such as ivory, hawksbill, coral, or leather. Since the more we buy the type of the products, the more animal hunting there will be.
To conclude this topic, we would like to address the fact that this problem can't be solved unless the purchase of these animals and the consumption of their products stop. This is why, as a team, we consider that creating awareness about what these animals go through is the best way to fix what as a society we've broken. So please, if you see an animal at risk and in need, speak for the voiceless.